Godox SL-60W review. The $200 light that's making $1,000 rigs jealous? Seriously, watch this. Let's be honest. If you've ever shot content under cheap lighting, you know the pain. Harsh shadows, flickering brightness, and that weird green tint that makes you look like a radioactive ghost. You waste hours fixing it in post and still end up with a result that screams budget setup. Your content deserves better, but the pro gear is crazy expensive, bulky, and usually requires a film degree just to turn on. It's demotivating. You feel stuck, spinning your wheels with gear that works against your creativity instead of for it. And it's exhausting. Now throw in real-life pressure. Your YouTube deadline's looming, your client's asking for revisions, and that flickering panel light just died mid-shoot. Again. Burnout's creeping in, fast. You're juggling color balance, white noise, tangled cables, and a camera that's overheating, just to make something decent. But the lighting? Still making your shots look like a bad Zoom call. Every missed frame is another missed opportunity, another subscriber lost, another project delayed. You keep asking. Why can't good lighting be simple, affordable, and actually good? Guess what? It finally can. Meet your low-budget, high-impact hero. Godox SL-60W CRI 95 Plus LED Video Light Kit. This isn't just a light, it's your fast pass to cinematic lighting without selling a kidney. You get true daylight balanced 5600K brilliance, pro-level CRI greater than 95 color fidelity, and buttery-smooth dimming from 10% to 100%. It even includes a Bowens-mount softbox, light stand, and remote, already out of the box. Setup takes minutes, and boom. Your scene glows. Whether you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, or just a DIY content wizard, this kit nails that pro studio look with almost zero effort. Reliable, quiet, color accurate. Surprisingly sexy. And it actually fits your desk and your budget. Imagine hitting record and everything just works. No buzzing fans, no weird flicker. Just clean, crisp, natural-looking light. The SL-60W is optimized for creators who need professional results without the pro price tag. With a high-quality 60-watt COB LED chip and intuitive controls via LCD panel or remote, this light delivers powerful, stable output every single time. It's compatible with any Bowens accessory, so you can build your dream rig over time. Reviews don't lie. Will do what lights 5x its price do, raves one Redditor. Another adds, quiet, efficient, accurate, fits perfectly into my workflow. Curious? Tap in and watch this thing work its magic. Your lighting setup's about to level up, hard. No stress, no hype. Just honest, glowing results that make your camera fall in love. Warning! This kit flies off shelves. Creators everywhere are ditching overpriced lights for the SL-60W's pro-level performance at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're filming unboxings, product shoots, interviews, or just vibing on camera, this light brings the heat. Limited stock. Massive impact. If you've ever said, "I'll upgrade someday," this is someday. Stop settling for weak lighting and meh color. Click now. Grab yours. Join thousands of creators who've already stepped into the spotlight. Your content's about to shine, like viral level shine.